Let's put stairs and cover the second floor. We need to wash the crane with cargo bed. Keep up the good work. Let's assemble the flat car. Done! Now let's load bricks for the second floor into the flat car. Hooray! Let's build the walls of the second floor. Let's weld a crack on the flat car. Keep it up. Let's grind the welding seam. You're doing really great. Look at the cloud and choose the spray gun cap of the hooray! Assemble the glass transporting car. Keep up the good work. Let's load windows and doors into the glass transporting car. Don't stop. Let's install windows and doors. We need to wash the glass transporting car. Done!
That's you.
We need to assemble the crane. Ready. And now we need to fuel the crane. Press the pump. Done. Let's make a canopy and a roof. We need to fix a crack on the crane. Hooray! And now let's grind the seam. That's all. Choose the same color as in the cloud to paint the stain. That's all. We need to assemble the bucket lift. Ready. And now we need to fuel the bucket lift. Pump. You're doing really great. Create the station building.
Bonus.
Black. Let's wash the bucket lid.
I'll talk once.
We did it! Amazing! And now we need to fuel the locomotive. Pump. Hooray! Let's prepare the locomotive for a long journey. Let's wash the locomotive.
I've been in paintball chips.
That's all. Let's assemble the dining car. Don't stop. Let's load the dining car. Keep it up. Let's load luggage into cars. Let's wash the dining car.
Okay, taking it in the
That's all. Need to assemble the train. Go on. Keep up the good work. The train has arrived. Let's conduct passengers to their seats. Hooray! The station and the railroad are ready. Now everyone can travel. A new game is available to